I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware. Check that the iMac supports target display mode. Only 2009-2014 models do this. Once done, pick a matching cable, Thunderbolt 2 or mini display port for older machines, or USB-C with an active adapter if required, because passive cables won't carry the protocol. Make sure you're signed into admin on both Macs and that system updates are applied. These steps prevent driver mismatches and make the connections smoother. Now connect the cable with both machines off to avoid USB negotiation issues. Start the iMac first, because it will act as the display host, then boot the MacBook Air so it presents a video signal. Once both are running, press Command plus F2 on the iMac keyboard to switch into target display mode. This command instructs the iMac to accept video input. If you're using an adapter, make sure it's active and compatible. Passive adapters often fail. With target display mode active, set resolution and scaling in System Preferences displays so menus and windows look correct. This fixes stretched or tiny UI. When finished, exit with Command plus F2 and disconnect cables before shutting down either machine to avoid boot conflicts. If the iMac shows no signal, make sure your adapter is an active Thunderbolt converter, try a different cable, and test the setup with another Mac to isolate whether the iMac cable or MacBook Air is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.